Welcome to my English practice podcast. My name is Ellie, and I'm so happy you're here today. This podcast is a safe place to practice English slowly, clearly, and naturally, so you can train your ears, improve your pronunciation, and speak with more confidence in real life. If this is your first time here, please subscribe and leave a like. It's free and it truly helps this program continue so I can keep making more English practice episodes for you. And if you can leave a quick comment saying, "I'm practicing English," that motivates me a lot. Alright, let's begin. Today, we are going to practice something very important. How to introduce yourself in English. How to introduce a friend or a family member. And how to respond in a natural way. This is useful for work, school, church, parties, meetings, anywhere you meet people. Let's start with the most common situation. You meet someone for the first time. Imagine I'm walking into a room and I see someone new. I smile. I make eye contact and I speak clearly. I say, "Hi, my name is Ellie. Nice to meet you." That's simple. That's natural. Now, the other person can respond in a few ways. They can say, "Hi Ellie, I'm Danielle. Nice to meet you too." Or they can say, "Nice to meet you, Ellie." Or, "Hi Ellie, it's nice to meet you." Now, let's add a very common follow-up question. After you say your name, you can ask, "What's your name?" So, the conversation sounds like this. "Hi, my name is Ellie. Nice to meet you. What's your name?" And the person answers, "My name is Danielle. Nice to meet you too." Now, sometimes people say, "My name is," but in real life, many people also say, "I'm Danielle." So they might answer like this: "Nice to meet you, Ellie. I'm Danielle." Both are correct. Now, let's practice another friendly question. After the names, you can ask, "Where are you from?" So, you can say, "Nice to meet you, Danielle. Where are you from?" And Danielle can answer, "I'm from Guatemala," or "I'm from Mexico," or "I'm from Chicago." And then you can respond naturally with, "Oh, that's nice," or "Wow, that's great," or "Nice, how do you like it here so far?" That question is very common. How do you like it here so far? Now, let's move on to the second part. How to introduce a friend. Imagine you are with your friend and you meet someone new. You want to be polite and confident. You can say, "Hi, this is my friend Maria." That's a great sentence. Hi, this is my friend Maria. Or you can say, "Hi, I want you to meet my friend Maria." Both are natural. Now, Maria can respond by smiling and saying, "Hi, nice to meet you." Or, "Nice to meet you. I'm Maria." And the other person can respond, "Nice to meet you too." Or, "It's nice to meet you." Now, you can also add one extra detail to help the conversation. For example, "Hi, this is my friend Maria. We work together." Or, "Hi, this is my friend Maria. We go to church together." Or, "Hi, this is my friend Maria. We're neighbors." Those details make the introduction warmer and more natural. Now, let's practice introducing a family member. Imagine you are with your sister, your brother, your husband, your wife, your daughter, your son, or your cousin. You can say, "Hi, this is my sister Anna." Or, "Hi, this is my brother Louis." Or, "Hi, this is my husband Carlos." Or, "Hi, this is my wife Jessica." Or, "Hi, this is my daughter Emma." Or, "Hi, this is my son David." Now, let's make it more real with a short story conversation. Imagine we are at a small event, like community meeting. I arrive with my cousin. You see someone we know. We want to introduce my cousin. I smile and say, "Hi, how are you?" The person says, "Hi, good. How are you?" I say, "I'm doing well. Thank you." Then I say, "By the way, I want you to meet my cousin. This is Daniel." And then I took my cousin and say, "Daniel, this is my friend Sarah." Now, Danielle can say, "Hi Sarah, nice to meet you." And Sarah can say, "Nice to meet you too, Daniel." Now, I can continue the conversation with a simple question to keep it going. "So, Daniel, is this your first time here?" Daniel can answer, "Yes, it's my first time." Or, "No, I've been here before." Sarah then asked a friendly question. "Where are you from?" Danielle can answer, "I'm from Guatemala, but I live here now." Sarah can respond, "Oh, nice. How long have you lived here?" Now, this is an important phrase. How long have you lived here? Daniel can answer, "I've lived here for 2 years." Or, "I've lived here for 5 months." Or, "I just moved here." Now, sometimes your students might not know what to say after introductions. So, here are simple questions that help a lot. What do you do? That means, what is your job? What do you do? People can answer, I'm a teacher. I'm a driver. I work in a restaurant. I stay at home. I'm a student. Another helpful question is, what do you like to do for fun? This is friendly and easy. What do you like to do for fun? People can answer, I like watching movies. I like cooking. I like going for a walk. I like listening to music. Now, let's practice the third part, how to respond politely. When you meet someone, sometimes you feel nervous and you don't know what to say. So, I want to give you a simple response you can always use. When someone says, nice to meet you, you can say, nice to meet you too. When someone says, how are you? You can say, I'm good, thank you. And you? When someone says, this is my friend, you can smile and say, hi, it's nice to meet you. When someone says, where are you from? You can answer, I'm from. When someone asks, how do you like it here? You can say, I like it. Or, I like it so far. Or, it's nice. Now, I want to do a short practice section where I say the phrases clearly, like mini drill, so you can repeat after me in your mind. Hi, my name is Ellie. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? How do you like it here so far? Hi, this is my friend Maria. I want you to meet my sister. By the way, this is my brother, Daniel. This is my friend Sarah. It's nice to meet you. How long have you lived here? What do you do? What do you like to do for fun? Now, let's finish with a short example. Conversation. All together, so it feels naturally. Hi, my name is Ellie. Nice to meet you. Hi, Ellie. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from, Sarah? I'm from Florida. How about you? I'm from Guatemala. Oh, nice. How do you like it here so far? I like it. People are friendly. That's great. By the way, this is my friend Maria. Hi, Maria. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Maria is my friend from work. Oh, cool. What do you do? I'm a nurse. That's an important job. Thank you. What do you like to do for fun? I like going for walks and drinking coffee. Me too. And that is it for today's episode. Today, you practice how to introduce yourself, how to introduce a friend or a family member, and how to respond naturally. Thank you for listening and practicing with me. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, leave a like, and write a comment. It's free and it helps this podcast continue so I can keep making more English practice content for you. See you in the next episode. Bye!